think it was a Wednesday day, I can remember. Abukudlala ibhola, my favorite team, which is called Kaizer Chiefs. So I told my woman, no man, afterwards can I just go namajita so big. So sahamba, but knowing for a fact, okay, got there. Must figure that there's a shop, like I'm Pakistani energy around there. Into the shop, I prayed a couple of cigarettes for myself, and to already smell some perfume rather would man get in no get cigarette than strong. So because when you just going through my phone and blah blah blah, trying to always post the cheese, so not everything is rose. How mangel. There's a guy now where I figured next to me close with fear like a sharp when to escape I take out one cigarette and I'm to say the guy was literally like on top of me like I can't deal. So they decided to say man, I'm sharp. I'm to young into Usmamel. If you do anything, forget about your life. Shall we more? So they were instructed with bang tate even just keep or something bang van. The one only thing bang was to understand any wrong of the Cherako Ufun man. Oh, apparently my mom called. So oh, your mom's still alive. But we said on the time, all it's as a call, sharp at Sizo, Tatali, Suzu, Trapas, Fagi video, Babo, notice Sigas Ganja. One Kalamana, obviously my girlfriend has go to the Ozo, that's where they send them. My mother and my girlfriend. I'm a video. So, Bonabat initially we were phone about in send the 50,000. And initially they wanted the 50,000.